Now we move straight to report. I'm going to also go back to the report. I will not spend much time, maybe 5 minutes that I'm going to spend on report. So when you go there, you also see report questions. Now the report only involves grouping, sorting, and calculations. Those are the three things that they will ask you about report, and the rest are similar to forms. So I am going to take something that we have used before. Let's say 5 club. Let's use 5 club and then let's use 5 club. Right. So the report, when you are creating a new report, you go to create and then use report wizard. Now, if you are modifying, you right click, design view. Now, according to the question, it says change the grouping to the level field. So it was grouped on days. So to change it, you see there's an arrow and then you choose level. Then again, determine the total amount paid by all the hikers. Determine the total amount paid by. So here we are going to find the total calculation. So where you have group, you select it, then you see more. And then you find it with no totals. There is an arrow there, you select, and they want us to find the totals on amount paid. Total amount, that means the function will be sum, and for all, so we choose show grand total. If they say for each hikers, we choose the last one, show subtotal in group footer. So this question we choose show grand total. Now the calculation will be here in the report footer. Now with this, we can put the label. The label is the one with the A, capital A, small a, and then we can draw it and type total amount. Right. They can also ask you to change the decimal place and all those things. And then the last part, it says, apply conditional formatting to the distance field so that all distances that are not between 6,000 and 8,000 appears with a blue. So those that are not between. So that means it's not just between from, that are not between. So we go to the distance field. It is not this one. The one on the page header is the label. The one in the details section is the text box. That's the one we used. Now, when you right click or when you click on it, you will see conditional formatting under the format. If you don't know where to find it in exam and you are confused, tell me what to do. Type conditional formatting. Then show formatting rules for distance. Then you click on new rule. Field value is. So we choose here not greater or equals to or not between. So not between 6,000 and 8,000. Remember there's also between. And the question says you must be filled with blue. So this is the fill one. Don't forget, don't choose the font color. So we fill it with the blue font and then OK. Then you click on apply and OK. So let's go and check. So all those that are not between that value has been highlighted in blue color. So when you are here, you can go back to design view. Right, so that is all about that question. Let's do the last question regarding the report. Um, Regarding the report, I want her to pick Let's choose 3 info. 3 info. And then the last one will be the one that we have a screenshot. Now 3 info say we have to create. We have to create so to create a report, or the report is there, you right click and choose design view. Display only name, unit type, days, and amount. Unit type, name, days, and amount. I think this one was created for us. Let me delete it. It was already created. Now the question wanted us to create it. So you go to create report wizard, and then we need to only display the name, unit type, days, and amount. So it should be based on TBL bookings. We need a name, unit type, days, amount. Right. Okay, that's the one that they wanted us to choose. And then they say that then group the field first by the unit type and then by amount field. So here we go to next. We are grouping according to unit type. You double click, and then by amount. You double click on amount also. Then there is also an interesting question here. In the units of 5,000, that means there's a grouping option. So we select the amount, then we go to grouping options. Amount, the interval should be unit of 5,000. Remember the unit type also, we can have first initial, first letter. They can ask you that type of question also. Then we go to next. And then it also had the summaries whereby they can ask us to do calculation. Now let's say this question was to find the total amount. Then we choose amount with the total, whether average amount, you take the average also there. So here we want only the total amount. And then we also have calculate percent of the total of the sum or the summary only. Then okay, you finish it. Right, so that one can also be used to do calculations. Now the calculations will be done here, is here. If you go there now, you can see the amount are in 5,000s. The amount are grouped in 5,000, 0 to 5,000, and then 5,000 to 10,000. That's the one that says grouping options. That's how we do it, group options. So imagine they give you this screenshot and then they say do it like this. That means watch out for this. They group according to that. But the moment you see amount by 5,000, meanwhile, we don't have amount by 5,000. That means they chose a grouping option of 5,000. Right. So that is one way of doing report. Now let me check if there's any question. Oh, sorry, somebody said April 2018. I didn't check that one. Yeah. Good. Question also, do you have any previous videos regarding Word and Excel? Yes, I have them. If you go there, I have all the videos on Excel, all the videos on Word. What was left was database. This is the last one. I have videos also on HTML, and I have collectibles. Like all these are collectibles. I will share them on under every single video. You will see the collectible question for that also. Right. Any other question? We are ending here. That is all about the form or the report. I want you to go and try your hands on each of them, like this one here. The group according to the animal type, like the carnivore. You must check the screenshot also. Like this one, they gave a screenshot, maximum amount of each visitor's cost. and then it was grouped according to the pyramid, the group according to pyramids, as you can see, bent pyramid, buried pyramid. So the grouping was done on pyramid, and then also the cost was calculated under the visitor's cost. So when they give you a screenshot, you must take note of that. Like this, for instance, check which one that they group according to, and then where did they do the calculations also under. Right, they can have conditional formatting. And to go through all this one, they apply conditional formatting. That is for the age that is more than 18 years. And then it was also grouped, and they only displayed them emerald and then others. That means they group according to membership status. So this brings to an end of our lesson. Don't forget to watch the videos